Video number 30. Let's see how you can determine the major and minor keys. For example, now. Yeah, so what was that? That was a major key, because the third note is high. And now, just to compare how the minor will sound. And that is very dramatic. So that's the minor key. Okay, I hope that you will be able to recognize the major and the minor only by the third note. Okay, let's go further. Video number 31. How to play the minor scale. You should use the same fingers that you use for the major scale, but remember that it should be lower third, lower sixth, and lower seventh. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's try to play the exercise on the right hand page. Yeah, that's how it sounds. Or if you will be playing the scale, and with your left hand. And do you remember we played the game of composing the melodies using the stable and not stable tones, right? So let's try to do the same with the minor key. That is your task, by the way. That's how the melodies are composed. That easy. Guys, music is easy, just open your heart to it. Good luck.